Yo, what's up, Private? Welcome to a new video. In today's video we're gonna talk about the Dutch M1934 helmet. It's a weird helmet, weird shape, but cool anyways. And I'm gonna tell you everything about it. Stay tuned. The Dutch M34 helmet. An interesting helmet. First I'm gonna tell you some history about the helmet. As you can see, the shell is an unusual shape compared to the other helmets from this period, like the English Brodie, the German Stahlhelm or the French Adrian helmet. The M34 came in production to replace the M1916 and the M23/27. The M27 and the M34 are identical, but the M34 has shorter sides. A fun fact about the helmet: during May 1940, when the German Wehrmacht attacked the Dutch soldiers defending the country, a lot of soldiers believed that the round or oval shape of the badge would look like a target, or that the bullet wouldn't ricochet from the helmet because of the wrinkly material of the lion's badge. There are also stories that Dutch soldiers would remove the badge from the helmet to prevent this. The Romanian army also ordered Dutch M1934s. Around 628,000 would be ordered at first. The Romanians would call them the M39. They were painted green and had a crest of the King Carol II. After he abdicated, the new production didn't have the crest. During the occupation, the Germans still sent Dutch M34s and M27s to Romania. Also, the German army used the Dutch M1934s. Most of the times I have seen them, they were Luftgeschütz. Sometimes in the German M34s, you can find the German M31 liner instead of the original Dutch liner. There was also a Dutch Knil variant of this helmet. It was produced by a Milwaukee Sadley company in the United States. It was called the M38. The differences? It would have a larger flap in the neck, trimmed back, and the badge is removed from the helmet. So now I'm gonna tell something about the liner. The liner consists of two parts, the inner part and the outer part. There are two identical flaps so that the leather would be stronger. Usually the liner is dated underneath the flaps on the liner headband. As you can see, mine is dated 1937. The liner is held in place by rivets through the leather band where the flaps are attached to. There are in total 7 rivets, 5 bigger ones and 2 smaller ones. The 2 smaller ones also attach the chin strap to the helmet. The original chin strap of the helmet is quite long. In fact, most of the time they were shortened by the soldier himself. The edge of the helmet is rolled inwards, just like the German M35 or the German M40, and on the very end of the helmet's back, a hole is made so the soldier can attach the helmet to the rucksack or the belt that he is wearing. The liner also has a knee strap on the back, so the helmet can be tightened if needed to. And this is how the chin buckle looks like and how it's attached to the helmet. The shape of the Dutch M34 or M27 is quite weird, but if you look back to it, it kinda looks like the Dutch M16, which looks like the Adrian helmet of the French. The Dutch M34 was produced by Verbliva in the Netherlands, until it got replaced by the Dutch M1953, which is a European clone to the American M1 helmet, like we have discussed in my previous video. If you haven't checked that one out, make sure you click on the video at the end of this video. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you guys next time.